I think you probably have to take it department by department. How was the scrums? How was the defensive scrums? How was the mauls? How was the maul stopping? How was the attack? How was the handling? And we try to get better in each position, player-wise, and then also tactically and technically. And I think we definitely every game got a little bit better, but obviously because we're rotating, it does take, I said it last week as well, but it does take cohesion away. Yeah, our plans will be, maybe someone say now, guys will be a week off, then 26 guys will go to Argentina, 15, 16 guys will stay behind, 1 or 2 rehabbing, and they will start training for the New Zealand. A few coaches will stay behind with them. Yeah, so Argentina is going to be tough. We like Wales, they say they had our number a few times. I think our biggest loss was against Argentina, and we've been together since 2018. So yeah, we're just building our game, trying to build our game. I think today was another step.